Hello friends, today we are learn about the Hive database second part. In this tutorial, we are learn about how we store a list of data in Hive database for a local storage. So first of all, in the last session, we store a single value using a key pair. Yeah, perfect. Here we store a one list like details, like user detail and contact detail. We have a storage key is a detail and pass the in object. Here we pass the JSON data like detail, their name is our channel name and the age is 18 and other some detail. Like mobile number, person name, etc., date of birth. Generally, Hive database is used for a local storage, like we are temporarily store some value or some data like user ID or login ID, like reference token store for a temporary when the user is payment and payment integration. Here we store the details of the user. In this case, we create the data of the user detail using the details key and use this JSON data in JSON model. Set JSON data in JSON model and access this data. So here we can show the write a container, and in container we use the feature builder. The feature builder is the main two properties. One is a feature and second is a builder. Builder is define a build and context, build context and snapshot, and that can return a widget. The return widget is like any one widget like container or column widget, text widget. We simply here use a text widget. In the future, when the Hive.open box in NTech, we use the return the data in snapshot. Here we can get the data snapshot.data. It is give the key and value. Here we can write a key like NTech. .toString. Well, simply run it. It's run successfully. Just installing the application in my local device. My PC is so slow. It can take a time for the installing. Here we can also store some other value like person name and person age. Person name is Akshay and age is 80. Here we can show the person name and person age, and we wrap the text widget into the column widget, so we can define multiple text widget. Yeah, perfect. Here is the key is a person name, and the second key is a person age. Here we can use the set to rebuild the UI and run the application and format the code. Recommended code is for the payment integration. How we use a browser pay or other payment integration. We will make video in the we will make another video for next session. It is perfect. We can show the person name and age in our my local device. In the next tutorial, we will learn about the to-do list application for local database. So like, comment and share, and subscribe my channel. For the next video, we are create another video for a to-do list application. When in this application we add the notes and get the notes, edit the notes, and delete the notes, and we also set the reminder for the like task, event, or etc.